What if you could reprogram your mind for success? Imagine having a mental operating system that automatically drives you to achieve wealth and happiness. In 1937, Napoleon Hill introduced this concept in his book, Think and Grow Rich. Among his 13 key steps, one stands out: autosuggestion. Autosuggestion isn't just positive thinking, it's a psychological blueprint. Today, let's explore how to build a powerful belief system to unlock your potential. Hill categorized the mind into two essential parts: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is like a gatekeeper. It reasons, analyzes, and chooses thoughts. This part is actively watching this video right now. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile garden. It grows whatever seeds you plant, whether positive or negative. It holds your habits, emotions, and automatic reactions. Autosuggestion is simply planting positive seeds from your conscious mind into your subconscious garden. This isn't just a metaphor. Cognitive scientists like Daniel Kahneman describe it using System 1 and System 2. System 2 is deliberate and analytical, while System 1 is automatic and emotional. Autosuggestion uses System 2's power to reprogram System 1's beliefs and habits. But how do you successfully plant these seeds? Hill highlights three essential catalysts: emotion, repetition, and belief. First, you need to feel a burning desire for your goal. The subconscious understands emotions better than mere words. Next is repetition. Read your goal aloud every morning and night. Consistency helps form new habits and neural pathways. Finally, you need absolute belief in achieving your goal. If you lack this faith initially, use autosuggestion to cultivate it gradually. Visualize a cycle. Starting with desire, your mechanical repetition builds faith. That growing belief generates deeper emotion. Stronger emotion makes future repetitions more powerful. This forms an upward spiral of conviction. Hill created a 6-step formula for practical application. First, clarify your monetary goal. No vagueness allowed. Second, identify what you'll give in return. This grounds your wish in reality. Third, set a definite deadline. It adds urgency. Fourth, devise a concrete plan and act immediately. Fifth, write everything down clearly. Lastly, read your statement aloud twice daily and visualize already possessing your goal. Each step targets mental barriers like ambiguity and procrastination. Hill's formula fosters clarity and commitment. A powerful example of autosuggestion is Hill's own son, Blair. Doctors predicted Blair would be deaf and mute. Hill rejected this reality, creating an unyielding belief that Blair would hear. Through regular affirmations that he could overcome his affliction, Blair was inspired to search for solutions actively. Eventually, he found a groundbreaking hearing aid, allowing him near-perfect hearing. The autosuggestion helped Blair cultivate relentless belief and action. It didn't magically alter biology. It programmed his mindset to seek solutions. Does autosuggestion work? Yes. It mirrors cognitive reprogramming techniques found in therapy. It uses belief to harness the placebo effect and primes your brain to notice opportunities. Neuroscience shows self-affirmation activates brain reward centers. However, let's acknowledge Hill's controversial background. Many believe he was a con artist. His story of being mentored by Andrew Carnegie is likely fabricated. So how can such a deceitful tale contain truths? Hill lived as a case study of his philosophy. His fabricated persona drove him to achieve his desires through steadfast belief. His own life serves as proof that sustained belief can reshape reality. Think and Grow Rich is not a sacred text. It's a powerful manual on self-persuasion. Napoleon Hill employed autosuggestion to build his life. Make a choice. Use this tool to construct a remarkable life or risk creating delusions. The potential is within your grasp. Take the first step today. Define your goals, commit to them, and start planting those seeds of belief. Your journey to success begins now.